Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 60 of Surah Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر إلى الذين يزعمون أنهم آمنوا. Hamza is very sharp. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Lam, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Lam, ta is very sharp. No flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. A ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. And heavy ra sounds like ra, ta, ra, e. For kasra, give e sound. Hamza is very sharp. Lal for fatha, give open your jaws and then attach with coming up letter. So you are not skipping this part to open your jaws for fatha. Lal and give the wasut on lam. Lal but with fatha, lam is very short. The two counts long, na short. Yes, yeah is very soft. You are lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but it's not touching it. That is making ya very soft letter. For fatha, open jaws, attach with za. Za will get raqawa. And za has safir. There is a buzzing sound in za. Yes. And there is z in it. There is no s sound in it. So there should not be mixture of z and s, but this za is z only. Yes, yes. Ain from your throat for fatha, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it two counts long. Na short. And Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. And this gunna is akmal, so give a nice time here. And for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Na. Hum for the circle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha, open jaws, and there should be a very clear difference between Hamza and Alif. Hamza is from your throat and Alif is from your jawf. So start the sound from throat and then go to jawf for Alif. Ma for fatha, open jaws. No for the circular lips, make it two counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. And this E sound is like something like this. Yes. E. B. B. Ma. Four counts long. For the circular lips attached with noon. And this is ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light because za is among light letters. This this light letter is making this ikhfa light. And to make any ikhfa light, you will keep your tongue straight. Z. And again, there is Z sound in it. And for kasra, give E sound. Z. La. La is short. E. For kasra, give E sound. Lai. Two counts long. Because this is lean. Lai. Ka. Ka is soft and short. For fatha, open jaws. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Ma. Four counts long because this is mad. Munfasil. Jaiz. Ma. For dhamma, circle your lips. And this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Z. Give Z sound in za, and for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short, but keep this E sound very clear. For kasra, Z, la, la is short. Meow. There is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy, but we are not ignoring this kasra. This kasra will sound the same as me. If you wanted to check that you are making a correct sound, separate this me and try to say what is the sound of meme with kasra. Me. So it will stay the same even you are bringing ikhfa after it. Me. Me will stay the same. Me. And then bring ikhfa. Mia. And keep this ikhfa heavy by lifting your tongue up for qaf. Mia qablika. What we do in ikhfa? We keep the sound in our nose, number one. Number two, we go towards the makhraj of qaf, the coming up letter, and we are making our mouth ready to say qaf, and we are not pronouncing noon. This is what ikhfa is. Like we are hiding the sound of noon, but we are going to be prepared to say qaf. This is ikhfa. So this is how we do it. Qab. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. To make qaf heavy, you are lifting the root of your tongue up, and you're keeping your lips straight. Qab. And ba is light. Qaf is heavy, but ba is light. Qab. Li for kasra give E sound. This E sound should not be ignored any time when you see kasra. Li. Ka is short. You for the circle your lips. Keep ya very soft. You. Ri 2 counts long. Do for the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Na short. I. Hamza is very sharp. And this is idgham with gunna. And this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. I. And then ya is very soft for fatha upon your jaws. This ya has nothing to do with ya in English or ya in Urdu. This ya is very different. This is Arabiya, and how we say it, we are lift our tongue up, but it's not touching the palate. So it's very soft. Yeah, yeah, ta. Ta is very sharp. This is very different from this ya. Ya is soft, but ta is very sharp. It cuts off the sound, and the sound is very, very like pinches your ear. It gives a very uncomfortable feeling, like it's very sharp. Ta. Yeah. Ta. Ha from your throat, middle part of your throat, and make it 2 counts long. Ka is soft. Mu 2 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. La. Lam is light, but to is heavy. So keep lam light. La. Ko, to 2 counts long. And how we keep we make any letter heavy by lifting up. We lift our root of our tongue up. To, going from your throat, and make it 2 counts long for the circle lips. Ti for kasra give E sound. Ta has no flow of sound, and for kasra give E sound. Ti. Wa for wow circle your lips. Fatha upon jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal with dal is light, and it will get qalqala. Sifa of qalqala. Qad. U for the circle lips. One thing I should mention, when we give qalqala, qalqala has nothing to do with fatha, but it's very close. So we should be very careful about qalqala, and there should be a clear difference between qalqala and fatha. If I'm giving fatha, it will be qada wa qada. And if I'm giving qalqala, it will be wa qada. What is the difference? There is qalqala, but we are not moving our jaws, or we are not moving any part of our mouth. It's just a taba'ud. Um, it's just when we put our tongue and a palate together to say this letter. To make qalqala, we just pull them apart. We give gap in between. This makes qalqala, but we are not opening our jaws. When we open our jaws, that will bring fatha in, which we don't want in qalqala. There is a very clear difference between qalqala and fatha. Some people make qalqala like fatha. Don't do that. If you will move your jaws and you will open your jaws, that will mix up the qalqala with fatha. So be very careful. وَقَادِ وَقَادِ U for the circular lips. Me for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Oru, ra is heavy. Make it 4 counts long because this is munfasil, mad munfasil, jaiz. And ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Oru, ay. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open jaws. And this idgham is with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this gunna is akmal. Ay, iyak, keep very soft for fatha, open jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will get humps. Whenever kaf is with sukoon, it gets humps, and humps is a flow of breath. Yes. Iyak, fu, give hums and fa. For the circular lips, the sound is very short. Fu, uru, ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. And for the circular lips, b. Keep this kasra the same way it should be. If you wanted to check the sound, just say b separately. B and then attach with ha. B. It should, the sound should stay the same. It should stay short. It should say the sound of E, and then ha comes, and ha will get rakhawa. And rakhawa is a flow of sound. B. Wa for wow circular lips of fatha open jaw. U. Yeah, it's very soft for dhamma circular lips. The sound is short. Ri, 2 counts long. Keep ri, ra, light. And this is light raw. How we say it? Ri, dush. Keep that soft. No. Keep dal light. Don't make it soft. It's not a soft letter. For the circle lips, dush, and give rakhawa on sheen. Give tafashi on sheen. The sound should flow. Dush, jay, and then make it 2 counts long because this is lean. Make it soft because lean makes the pronunciation soft. Shay, koto is 2 counts long and make it heavy. And to make any letter heavy, we lift the root of tongue up, but we don't circle our lips. Oh, no, for the circular lips. I, Hamza is very sharp for fatha, open your jaws, and this is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. I, and then you. Yeah, it's soft for the circular lips. The sound is very short. You. Lil, blood is heavy. For kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Where we make any letter heavy by lifting the root of our tongue up. But we are not circling our lips. Why I keep on saying that? Because if you will circle your lips, you will bring wow in. So whenever you will be saying any heavy letter, you will be bringing wow in and then saying the heavy letter. No. So don't circle your lips ever for any heavy letter until they have dhamma. Yes, for dhamma you will definitely circle your lips, but for kasra and fatha you will not circling your lips. Will give the tawassut on lam. La, lam is short and light. Hum for the circular lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Dad is heavy. Fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 comes long. Lam, this is after the name, you can see ba. So this is iqlab. And iqlab is changing one letter to another. And what we are doing here, we are changing the sound of noon into meme. There was noon here, noon sakin here. So we, you know that the second fatha is noon. So we change this noon into meme to bring this iqlab. So whenever you find after taneen you find ba, harfe ba, you change the sound of noon into meme. ضلالا ba. Ba is very sharp. Papa open jaws. Ain from your throat. Make it 2 counts long. Da mud awad. So mad awad is when we are exchanging the sound of noon into mud letter. Then we make it 2 counts long. This is what mad awad is. Awad means to exchange. So we are exchanging the sounds. Alam tara okay. ألم تر إلى الذين يزعمون أنهم آمنوا بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك يريدون أن يتحاكموا إلى الطاغوت وقد أمروا أن يكفروا به ويريد الشيطان أن يضلهم ضلالا بعيدا. For wow circulars, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra give E sound. The 2 counts long. The 2 counts long, made of heavy. La short. La short. Hum for the circular lips attached with me. We'll get sip of the wasut. Ta is very sharp. Ain from your throat, make it 2 counts long. Lu, low. This is lean and make it 2 counts long because lean is long and it is soft. So make it soft and long. E for kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. Ma 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ma Hamza is very sharp of a open jaws and bring ikhfa in. And this ikhfa is light, so keep this and keep your tongue straight. There should be Z sound into it because it has rukhawa, it has safid, and it is light. Law. This lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Lallahu for the circle lips, and by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Wa for wow circle lips, fatha open jaws. E for kasra give E sound. And Hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound. Law, keep lam light, but ra will be heavy because there is fatha on ra. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra, ra will be heavy. E, la, su for dhamma, circle lips, and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ra, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra, I, Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached. Yeah, make it 2 counts long because this is lean. Tel, ta is very sharp, no flow of sound for top and jaws attached with lam. Lam will get zip off the wasut. Tel, mu for the circle lips. Na, 2 counts long. Fi, for fa, give hums, and for kasra, give e sound. Qi, make it 2 counts long, and cough is heavy. Na, short. Yeah, from your Yeah, it's very soft for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Slod is heavy and dal is light. Keep sod heavy and dal light. Slud do for Dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na short. Ain from your throat. Fatha open jaws, and this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is little different, yes, because kaf is coming up. So it's like you are bringing in ibhar. Can you feel that sound? Yes, and this ink sound. Yes. No, wait. Ang, anka, ang, anka. This is the way we create ikhfa for kaf. Kaf is very light for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Su, swat is heavy for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Su, do. Keep dal light. Make it 2 counts long. Da, mad, awat. You are exchanging the sound of noon to mad letters. So this exchange is called awat. So that's why you're making it 2 counts long. وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا إلى ما أنزل الله وإلى الرسول رأيت المنافقين يصدون عنك عنك صدودا. Bring hums in fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is very short. K 2 counts long. Fa for fa give hums for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. E for kasra give e sound. The mad munfasil jaiz make it 4 counts long, and engage the right makhraj for the. The hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. The sound is very short. Slod 2 counts long. Make slod heavy. To make any letter heavy, you lift your root of the tongue up. So, but for fatha open jaws attached with that, that will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. But this is idgham shafawi. For dhamma circular lips, make it short. Slod is heavy, make it 2 counts long, and give e sound. Don't drop this e sound off. Kasra. Ba is short. Tum. This is iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme because after the meme there is letter ba. B for kasra give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Qad off is heavy for fatha opening jaws attached with dal. Dal is very sharp letter. Qad mat for fatha opening jaws attached with ta. Ta give hums on ta. I hamza is very sharp. Attach it ya, and then it will be 2 counts long because this is lean, and make it soft. I D dal is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. D him. Don't drop this kasra while you are attaching with meme, and meme will get the wasut. Him. Thum for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with me, you'll get gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Thum and fatha is very short. Ma, ja, 4 counts long. Oo for Dhamma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ka, short. Yeah, keep ya very soft for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa off for a forward, and it is light. And it should be from your throat very clearly. Yeah, li for kasra give e sound. Foo, give hums on fa for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Bil, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Now we'll get sifa of the wasut. And by default, like it's always been that whenever you are saying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name, it is always long. Billahi, ha is short. In Hamza is very sharp or tight with noon, and this is ruling is ibhar, and the sifa is tawassut. In Hamza is very sharp. Ra will be heavy. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy. Attached with dal gets sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud, when your two component of the letter, the two components of the makhraj of the letters are being apart, that is called qalqala. Or wade, na, 4 counts long, munfasil jaiz. Il, hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Now we get sifa of the wasut. La, and then it will be 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of kha, and it should be from your throat. Ihsa, 2 counts long. Now, for fatha open your jaws, then attach with wow. And this is idgham in the gha with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, wow, for wow, for wow, circle, yeah, this for fatha open jaws. Ta is very sharp, and then make it 2 counts long because this is lean, and make it soft. How you will make soft? You will say, you're saying this is very sharp, and now you're making it soft. Yes, ta is soft, but when you are joining this with wow, that process is soft. Tau, fi, give hums in fa and make it 2 counts long. Qamat, or you are exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel, that is making it 2 counts long. فكيف إذا أصابتهم مصيبة بما قدمت أيديهم ثم جاءوك يحلفون بالله إن أردنا إلا إحسانا وتوفيقا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.